Now ask me your first question in English.
When you see a problem, what do you see as a product designer?
I see an opportunity to improve the product experience.
Good, but you missed the key phrase from the material. Once you embrace this identity, what happens next?
Once I embrace this identity, what happens next? I think you start to view problems as opportunities.
You repeated the first point instead of the second. The material says everything else flows naturally after embracing the identity. How would you describe this flow in UX work?
I think the flow here means everything becomes natural, like every problem, every mistake, every feedback, you view them as a place to improve.
Your explanation is a bit vague. Can you connect flow naturally to how a product designer's work progresses?
I don't understand what do you mean.
For example, when designing a pitch deck, if you see problems as opportunities, how does your work flow naturally?
I don't know. Can you give me an example?
If users say the pitch deck is confusing, you'd see it as a chance to simplify, then adjust content easily. That flows naturally. Now, why is this identity important for UX in 2026?
Because I think because of AI generating UX or you generating UI becomes so easy, become easier. But if when it comes to UX, it's hard because UX is totally different from UI. It's more focused on user experience. And so I think that's the key why you should embrace this identity and view every problem as an opportunity. And you should also trust your instinct. Uh, to you can tell
You
easily
used
from.
embarrass, which is misspelled. It should be embrace. With short user attention spans in 2026, how does seeing problems as opportunities help keep users engaged?
Here's my idea. I believe if you're seeing problems and opportunities, means you put yourself in users' shoes, in users' position. You are not a UX designer. You are actually a user, a real user. So I think that's the only way to make the users more engaged.
Good connection to user perspective. Now, in 2026, with AI tools, do you think this identity makes your work less absurd? Total review. 1. Fix embarrass to embrace. 2. Connect flows naturally to specific UX tasks, like adjusting a pitch deck. 3. Use attention span when talking about user engagement.
Of course, I think in 2026 with AI tools, I think this identity or definitely makes our work less absorbed because we start to think from users' perspective, and as you said before, everything like just flows naturally if you embrace this identity, and you can think from users' perspective, and you can develop your products and make them more engaged, and eventually you can extend or expand
You
users'
still
attention
misspelled
span.
embrace as embarrass. Try saying that in English. Embrace.
Embrace. Thank you.
Good. Now, how would this identity help you handle user feedback with short attention spans?
I don't know. You tell me.
If users give brief feedback like confusing, seeing it as an opportunity lets you quickly simplify the design to match their short attention spans.